The following dietary recommendations and techniques promote fitness objectives, including but not limited to muscle growth, fat loss, energy enhancement, and general health improvement. 1. Consumption of macronutrients in balance objective. Encourage general fitness via a healthy diet. Method. To support your training and recuperation, incorporate a balanced diet rich in proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. As an illustration contains protein, lentils, fish, poultry, and tofu. Carbs include sweet potatoes, quinoa, brown rice, and oats. Fats include seeds, nuts, avocados, and olive oil too. A diet rich in protein to build muscle. The objective is to build muscle and aid in healing. Approach. Make sure you eat enough protein to promote muscle growth and repair, especially after strength training. Example, for every kilogram of body weight, aim for 12 to 2 grams of protein. Protein shakes, dairy, eggs, lean meats, and legumes are some examples of sources. 3. Complex sugars for long-term energy. Increasing energy for longer workouts and endurance training is the aim. Method. Consume meals that contain complex carbohydrates to give you a consistent supply of energy. Examples of entire grains include brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat pasta. Starchy veggies include butternut squash and sweet potatoes. 4. Good fats for long-term energy. The objective is to support hormonal balance and raise long-term energy levels. Method. Include foods high in healthy fats in your diet to promote endurance and healing without raising blood sugar levels. Example, extra virgin olive oil, avocados, almonds, seeds, and fatty fish, salmon, mackerel. 5. Consumption of water. The objective is to avoid dehydration and sustain energy levels while exercising. Method. Before, during, and after exercise, sip lots of water. Consider adding electrolytes for hard activities lasting more than an hour. For instance, the average individual should drink 2 to 3 liters of water per day, or more if they are exercising vigorously. Consume coconut water for hydration or mix electrolyte-rich water with a small amount of salt and lemon juice. 6. Nutrition prior to exercise. Objective. Provide energy for physical activity. Method. 30 to 90 minutes before your workout, eat a meal or snack that consists of tiny amounts of protein and easily digested carbohydrates. A slice of whole grain bread with peanut butter, a tiny bowl of oatmeal with berries, or a banana with almond butter are a few examples. 7. Nutrition following exercise. Objective. Facilitate muscular recuperation and restore energy reserves. Method. Eat a combination of carbohydrates and protein within 30 to 60 minutes of your workout to aid in muscle regeneration and glycogen replenishment. For instance, Greek yogurt with mixed fruit, grilled chicken over quinoa, or a protein smoothie with a banana. 8. Foods high in micronutrients. Objective. Enhance general health and immunological function. Method. To acquire the vitamins and minerals your body needs, make sure your diet is diverse and full of fruits and vegetables. Examples of foods high in vitamins A, C, and E as well as antioxidants include spinach, kale, berries, oranges, carrots, and bell peppers. 9. Timing of meals. Timed eating. The objective is to maximize energy and muscle repair. Approach. Plan your meals around your exercise regimen, having a smaller meal or snack 1 to 2 hours before working out and a larger meal afterward. For instance, having rice cakes with peanut butter as a pre-exercise snack and salmon with sweet potatoes and veggies for dinner after the activity. 10. Exercise supplements. Goal. Assist with particular fitness objectives such as fat loss, muscle gain, or endurance. Approach. Utilize supplements in addition to a balanced diet, not in place of complete meals. As an illustration, whey protein, for the growth and repair of muscles. Using creatine will help you perform better during high-intensity exercise. BCAAs. To promote muscle healing. To close any possible nutrient shortfalls, take a multivitamin. 11. Meal planning for regularity. Goal. Continue to meet your nutrition and fitness objectives. Approach. Arrange your meals ahead of time to guarantee that you're consuming wholesome, regulated portions while steering clear of unhealthy quick food options. For instance, prepare quinoa, grilled chicken, and steamed veggies. Then, portion them into containers so they'll be convenient to reach throughout the week. 12. Cycling with carbs. Purpose. Optimize fat loss while preserving muscle. Method. Depending on your activity level, alternate between days with high and low carbs. Day-long intensive workouts should fall on high-carb days. Example, when doing a full body or leg workout, consume more carbohydrates like rice or oats, and lean proteins and fats like avocado. On days when you're resting or working out lightly. 13. Periodic fasting, if objective. Improve metabolic health and control weight. Technique. Fast for a predetermined amount of time, e.g. 16 hours, and eat within a constrained window of time, e.g. 8 hours. Example, the following day fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. and then consume 2 to 3 nutritious meals throughout the window for eating. Whether your goal is to lose weight, increase muscle, or enhance your general health, including these nutrition strategies into your exercise regimen can help you reach your best outcomes. Long-term success requires balance, diversity, and constancy. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more updates about fitness and wellness.